Have you ever wondered what fair housing laws are and how they impact you? Let's delve into the world of fair housing laws, starting with the Fair Housing Act, or FHA. This federal law is a beacon of equality, prohibiting discrimination based on race, color, national origin, religion, sex, familial status, and disability in the sale, rental, or financing of housing. It's a shield that ensures everyone has equal access to housing opportunities. Then we have the Equal Credit Opportunity Act, or ECOA. This law is a champion for fairness in all credit transactions, prohibiting discrimination based on race, color, religion, national origin, sex, marital status, age, or receipt of income from public assistance programs. It's a safeguard that protects your right to credit, ensuring that it's not influenced by any discriminatory biases. These laws work to ensure that everyone, regardless of their background, has equal access to housing opportunities. But what about at the state level? Let's take a look at New Jersey as an example. In the Garden State, the Law Against Discrimination, or LAD, serves as a robust framework for fair housing. This law prohibits discrimination in housing based on an extensive list of factors. These include race, creed, color, national origin, nationality, ancestry, marital status, familial status, affectional or sexual orientation, gender identity or expression, sex, disability, or the source of lawful income used for rental or mortgage payments. This means, whether you're a single mom, a disabled veteran, or a recent immigrant, you have the same rights to housing opportunities as anyone else. Discrimination based on these factors is not just unfair, it's illegal under New Jersey's LAD. So if you're looking to rent or buy a home in New Jersey, you can do so with the confidence that the state's laws are there to protect your rights and promote equal access to housing. New Jersey's LAD is a comprehensive law that further strengthens the protection against discrimination in housing. Now, let's delve into some landmark lawsuits in New Jersey that have significantly influenced fair housing legislation. First up, we have Mount Laurel, a groundbreaking lawsuit initiated in 1975. It challenged exclusionary zoning practices in Mount Laurel Township, a practice that was making it nearly impossible for low and moderate income families to find housing. The court ruled in favor of the plaintiffs, stating that municipalities must provide opportunities for the construction of affordable housing. 8 years later, Mount Laurel II emerged, further solidifying the principles established in its predecessor. This lawsuit emphasized the Mount Laurel Doctrine, an imperative doctrine that mandates municipalities to create zoning allowing for the development of affordable housing. It also reinforced the need to prevent exclusionary zoning practices, a significant step towards ensuring equal access to housing for all. These two lawsuits, often referred to collectively as the Mount Laurel decisions, have had a profound impact on housing legislation in New Jersey. They've led to significant changes in zoning practices and have encouraged the development of affordable housing for all income levels. The Mount Laurel decisions have had a ripple effect, not just in New Jersey but across the nation, influencing how we perceive fair housing and the legislation that governs it. They serve as a powerful reminder of the importance of legal intervention in the fight for housing equality. The Mount Laurel decisions have been instrumental in addressing affordable housing issues and promoting fair housing practices in New Jersey. These laws and decisions are not just words on paper, they have real, tangible impacts. Fair housing laws and the Mount Laurel decisions have indeed changed the landscape of housing in profound ways. Firstly, they've ensured equal access and opportunity. No longer can someone be denied a home based on their race, color, religion, national origin, or any other protected status. Everyone has the right to seek housing, be it renting, buying, or financing, without fear of discrimination. It's about leveling the playing field, making housing a matter of capability, not identity. Secondly, these laws and decisions have fostered diversity and inclusion. They've created communities that are vibrant tapestries of various backgrounds and cultures. By preventing discrimination, they've made it possible for housing to be available to all, without prejudice. Thirdly, the Mount Laurel decisions have imposed affordable housing obligations. These landmark rulings led to legislation that mandates municipalities to provide affordable housing options for different income segments. They've ensured fair housing practices and have eliminated exclusionary zoning. Lastly, these laws carry legal weight. Violations can result in lawsuits, fines, and requirements for municipalities to fulfill their affordable housing obligations. It's not just about moral rightness, but also about legal compliance. So, the next time you think about housing, Remember that fair housing laws and decisions like the Mount Laurel lawsuits work to ensure that everyone has an equal opportunity to secure a home. They aim to create fair, diverse, and inclusive housing markets for all of us.